Viewers, the latest news about Ethiopia, Sudan is that Sudan said Ethiopian forces have committed an act of aggression by crossing into Sudanese territory as tension escalates between the two African neighbors. Where Sudan condemns the aggression of Ethiopian forces on the land legally belonging to Sudan, which was a direct violation of Sudan's sovereignty and territorial integrity. Here, the Sudanese foreign minister stated in a statement on Sunday. The statement said Sudan was holding the Ethiopian government fully responsible for dangerous repression on security and stability in the region where Sudan and Ethiopia have been locked in a dispute over water and agriculture land in Al Fashaka as well as refugees. Because the Ethiopian foreign minister said on its Facebook page on Saturday that ambassadors Dina called on the government of Sudan to stop plundering and displacing Ethiopian citizens that it has started as of November 6. Where Sudan and previously urged Ethiopia to reconsider a plan to fill a massive reservoir at the Grand Ethiopian Renaissance Dam in July, describing the move as a national security threat. Tensions have led to armed clashes between Sudan and Ethiopia forces in recent months, which each side accusing the other of instigating the violence. The two countries held talks in January in Khartoum to de-escalate. Where the Sudanese ministry noted that the Ethiopian move were a violation of the values of neighborliness and positive interaction among countries that enhance stability and security. Where Sudan also demand that Ethiopia guarantee the complete redemarcation of their mutual border and return to negotiations as agreed upon. Where tension between the two countries further escalated after the Ethiopian government launched a military campaign against rebels in the country's northern Tigray region in November. Whereas according to the United Nations, an estimated 1 lakh people are displaced in Tigray and some 60,000 people have taken refugees in Sudan. Because the United Nations warned earlier this month that the conflict in the Tigray region could destabilize the border as a result of a security vacuum created by assuming troops in the conflict zone. So we got this latest update. Thanks for watching.
በዚህ ሰራዊትን ዘመናዊ ጋር ገልጠማ ሳፍና ነው ይወራል ለሞና ይሆናል